Hello guys, to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create 3D anime and movie characters from your photo using Google Gemini. So as you can see, all these are photos created using Gemini AI. There are few prompts that will help you to create such kind of images easily on your device. So without wasting much time, let me show you how to do it. So for that, you simply first go to Google and here you need to type Gemini AI. After that, click on the first link or website that you get. Now after it opens, here you need to click on this icon, then you need to click on create images, and after that you need to select on the plus icon over here, then click on upload files, and then click on photos and videos. After that, go below and select your image. After selecting your image, you need to write the prompt over here. So after writing or typing the prompt, you just need to wait for a few seconds and then you can see the changes. So here you can see that the image has been generated, whatever prompt that I have provided. So I can another one for you. So simply need to click on plus icon over here, click on upload files. Now click on photos and videos. After that, upload your picture over here. After uploading, you need to describe or type the prompt. After typing the prompt, you need to wait for a few seconds. The best part is you can also simply download the images from here. So you need to simply click on it and then you can click on download option and you can download the image. So I am showing you another one. You simply need to describe your prompt over here. And here you need to wait for some time. So as you can see, the image has been created. Whatever prompt I have provided, the image has been created of a Bollywood actor, 1970s retro look. So you can also download this image by simply clicking on it and then click on download option. So this will download your image. So by this way, you can easily create or generate various types of images as per your choice. I have already provided the prompts in the description. Just go through them and you can create this kind of images using Gemini AI. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.